Good morning. Today is April the 13th, 2021 on a Tuesday morning. I'm here in Houston. It's raining right now, so I'm sitting in my truck. And while sitting in my truck, I'm just looking through my phone. And you probably seen my previous video about the vaccines for the COVID-19. I haven't gotten one yet. I don't know if I'm going to get it or not. But like I said, I'm going to do my research before I get any of these vaccines. And I'm not discouraging anybody from not getting it. Just myself, I'm gonna wait and I'm gonna do a little bit more research. And this morning when I opened up my phone, this is what popped up. And you probably can't see it, but I'm gonna read a little bit of it for you. And like I said, today is April the 13th, 2021. And it says the U.S. seeks to pause Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccine use after rare blood clot cases. It says the FDA and CDC are reviewing data involving 6 reported cases of clotting. Pause recommended out of abundance of caution. It says U.S. health authorities recommended a pause in the use of Johnson & Johnson's COVID-19 vaccine in order to investigate rare but severe cases of blood clots. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration and U.S. Center for Disease Control and Prevention announced the move Tuesday, which is today, April the 13th, 2021, after finding that 6 women between the ages of 18 and 48 years who got the vaccine had developed blood clots. More than 6.8 million doses have been administered in the USA, according to the agencies. It says a panel of outside experts will meet Wednesday, which is tomorrow, April the 14th, 2021, to review the matter of the CDC, while the FDA will also conduct its own investigation. The FDA said it was recommending a pause in the use of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine out of abundance of caution. The halt causes a dangerous time during the pandemic as health authorities race to vaccinate as many people as possible before variants develop and can evade the shots. Among the biggest hurdles is the hesitance of getting the vaccination. So it says the spectrum of blood clots could add to concerns about the safety of the shots through vaccines from Pfizer and Moderna also. And it says pauses of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine use could hurt some vaccination efforts in the United States, especially in the areas of lack of special freezers required for the Pfizer and the Moderna. So the Pfizer and Moderna require special freezing. So this go on, and I won't take up too much of your time, but you probably see this all over the news today anyway. So I'm just sharing this little information with you guys, to my subscribers. And whenever I get an update on these vaccines, or I hear anything involved in them, or when I get mines, if I get one, and most of us may be forced to because of this vaccine passports, maybe to travel to other countries, maybe to even go into a grocery store. I don't know. They're trying to get this thing done in a hurry. And me personally, I don't think they have done enough research to say they got a cure for this. So I don't know. If any of you guys, I would like to hear you guys' opinion on these vaccines. But for right now, I'm going to wait, and I'm not going to say that I'm not going to get it. And I'm not going to discourage anybody from getting it, even my son or daughter or my wife. If they want to take these vaccines, they can go ahead. But right now, I'm going to do a little bit more research, and find out a little bit more. So, again, subscribe to my channel and leave comments and tell me what you think. All right, have a great day.